Hey guys, what's going on? It's RC Knockout. I am back with another video. Now, if you guys are new to the channel, my name is Nolan, and in today's video, I have got my Arrma Infraction version number 2 with me. Now, in the last video that I was out here, this is the place I've been doing my top speed passes. The last time I was out here, I got 62 miles per hour running the low speed gearing, or the stock gearing from the factory. Today I am back out, but this time I have got the high speed gearing installed. So we're gonna put the GPS on it, and we're gonna see what type of top speed we can get running the high speed gearing. This thing, aside from having the top speed gearing installed, everything else underneath is basically stock. I did turn up the throttle punch, I believe, from 4, I think, to level number 7, and I turned the brakes up. I turned the brakes from 75% up to 100%, but really nothing really performance-wise has been done, no upgrades. So this thing's basically bone stock. I do have 2 6S packs in here, but I'm only going to be running one at a time. I just want the weight distribution to be, you know, kind of better. I mean, this adds quite a bit of weight having one in each tray, but I feel like it helps with the weight distribution. So we're just going to be running one at a time. So I think I'm probably going to mount this GPS up something back here, and then we're going to go ahead and do some passes. Alright guys, I am all ready to go. I have got the GPS hooked up. It is set to record the maximum speed. I have got a 6,000 milliamp 6-cell pack hooked up. It does have a 100C discharge rate. I got my controller turned on. Let's go ahead and turn on the ESC. We got the nice silver body with the flag on top. Really dig the look of this body, guys. Let me go ahead and get this on. All right, guys, I have got it all hooked up. Let's go ahead and make a few passes here. So let's go ahead and take it down. I actually think I want to do most of the top speed runs from this direction, just because I've noticed with all the cars I bring here, I have better results coming from this direction going that way. So I think that's what we're going to do. So let's go ahead. Rumble strips right there. Here we go, guys. Oh, you hit a spot on the pavement. Yeah, that splitter's so low, guys, that it's just catching on the pavement. All right, guys, all the way down there. Let's go ahead and ease on the throttle, guys. Whoa! Whoa! Holy smokes! I flew into the thickets. Wow. I don't know how it just started to spin out for some reason. Let's see how the bottom of this thing is looking, guys. Ooh. Yeah, she's definitely not looking great. There's a few kind of deep gouges in it, actually. But I think we're good to keep on going. I don't think anything broke. Let's go ahead, let's test it out again. I feel like I maybe got up to 100% throttle once, but I don't think I've gotten like a top speed pass in, a good one. Here we go. Ready and easing on the throttle. Okay. Okay, that's good enough. Let's bring it back and see what we got. Oh! What do you guys think we got? And let's go ahead, undo it. Hopefully it picked up the top speed, guys. What? Shows we only got 69.9. Really? Okay, either I need a bigger run up or I need to change something up, because I'm not obviously getting up to full acceleration. Not getting up to the top velocity that I need to get that 80 plus. So we're 10 miles per hour short. We're basically at 70. So I'm gonna reset this, put it back on, and we're gonna try this again. I think I'm gonna go just a bit further down here. All right, guys, I'm all the way down there. And here we go, easing on the throttle. I just have to ease on it around the curve. You see how quick I have to get on the brakes though before that dead end. Bring it back again. Oh! I think maybe one more pass from that direction. All right, down there's good. Let's go ahead and bring it past, guys. What will we get? Will we get the 80? Easing on the throttle. See, but then I'm on the brakes. Because that dead end's like, you know, it comes up super fast. Having a little bit more space would be good. You know what, let's go ahead. Let's take it back and see what we got. Did we get up to the advertised 80 miles per hour? Here we go. What? 69. Huh. Maybe we need a little bit better of a straight. I do have another spot, another location I could go to if we need a little bit more of a straightaway, because the issue is we're coming off a curve, and when it does get straight, that's a very short straightaway, like before I have to get on the brakes. Otherwise, I'm going off the dead end. So this probably isn't the ideal spot to get up to a top speed with something that goes this fast. So we've only gotten basically 69, 70 miles per hour so far, but obviously we know it's capable of much more than that with the gearing it has. I think what we're gonna do, guys, we might go to the other location because I have another fully charged battery, and we might go to that location, but that is a busier road, but it has a good straightaway and the pavement's smoother than this. So I feel a little bit more confident about getting a really good top speed at my other location. I am back. I am at my second filming location. This is a much better straightaway, but this is also a used highway, so I have to be a little bit more, cautious. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this battery out because having the extra weight of having two 6S packs in here probably is not doing any good for the top speed. Anyway, I'll get the GPS strapped on, guys, and then we're gonna go ahead and make some passes out here. Alrighty, guys, I got it turned on. I got the GPS hooked up. I apologize, guys, if there is any wind noise. This is a much windier spot, but I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna go down that way. But here we go. Ready, get set, go. Okay, let's bring it back for another one, guys. Here we go. Looks like we got another vehicle coming too. Easing on the throttle. Okay, better bring it back this way before that vehicle comes. We'll go ahead, we'll check it right now, guys. We'll check it because there's more vehicles coming. Let me pull the body off and see what we picked up. Oh, wah, wah, wah. You guys see that? 85.0 miles per hour, guys. That is pretty darn impressive. 85.0. Wow. It's the fastest I've ever gone with the RC car. All right, guys, we've got one car going past, and once that one goes past, I think we're gonna go ahead and make a pass. All right, guys, here we go. Hope another car doesn't come from the other direction. I'm gonna get on this side, guys. And here we go, guys, easing on the throttle. Pin. Let's bring it by again. Ready? Here we go, guys. Easing on the throttle. Person coming. Once that person goes by, we'll make another pass in this direction. There we go. All right, guys, here we go. Easing on the throttle. Holy smokes. All right, guys, let's see about turning around and bring it back this direction. All right, guys, here we go. Easing on the throttle. Oh, shit. Gotta go get it. We hit, I don't know, right there we hit something. All right, guys, easing on the throttle. I can't get over how quick that thing is, guys. It's so fast. Let me pull the body off. I think we're done doing passes. Let's see, did we beat the 85 we got before? No, we did not. We got 77. Still fast, but so 85 miles per hour, guys. That's what I got. 85 miles per hour. I think just with a little bit more gearing up, this thing could probably go over 100. Probably. And you know what? Ideal day, maybe I could get up to 90. Who knows? But yeah, in this stretch, there's cars coming more and more now. I can't really do anything about it. So I think we're done for today, guys. But if you enjoyed the video, go ahead, hit that thumbs up button for me, and go ahead, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell, so then you'll be notified when I come out with new videos, because there's going to be more videos, obviously, with the Arrma Infraction and with some of my other speed builds. Check out some of my other videos as well. So I'll see you guys in another video. Later.